Hello there. Today, let's take a quick look at texture packing for Unreal Engine. If you found this video, I assume you already know what texture packing is, so let's jump right in. I hope you already have your textures ready to be packed. For this, we need Photoshop, but since I don't have it, I'll be using Photopea instead. First, let's create a new project with a resolution of 2048 by 2048 pixels. Click Create. Now, I'll unlock the background layer and bring my Heightmap, Metallic Map, and Roughness map. I'll rename the layers so it's easier to keep track of them. For this setup, I'll assign a Metallic to the red channel, Roughness to the green channel, Heightmap to the blue channel. You can use different channels if you prefer, but this is the setup that I'll be using. Now let's start moving these textures into the background layer's color channels. First, hide all the layers except the red one and the background layer. Hold Ctrl and left click on the red layer's thumbnail to select it. Make sure you click on the thumbnail and not on the layer. Press Ctrl, proceed to copy it. Hide the red layer and select the background layer. Switch the channel tab, select the red channel and press the Ctrl plus V to paste it. You will see the blue tint appear in the RGB preview. This is normal, okay? Now repeat the same process for the green and blue layers. Select the green layer, make it visible, Ctrl left click on this thumbnail, copy, hide it, switch to the green channel and paste. Do the same for the blue layer, but paste it into the blue channel. If you see the RGB preview changing colors, that means everything is working correctly. Now let's double check our textures. Turn off all layers, enable them one by one to ensure you'll see all three textures stored in the individual channels. Everything looks good? Great. Now let's export the texture. Go to the file, export as PNG. Name it Packed Textures and save it. You are now ready to use this texture in Unreal Engine. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, and if you enjoy my content and want to support me making more tutorials, hit that subscribe button. And also, share your thoughts in the comments. I would love to hear from you. That's all for today. Have a great day.